Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default state, also known as a factory reset. If your browser is running slow, experiencing errors, or has been affected by malicious extensions, this is a simple way to fix it. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. Then, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Reset Settings section. Click on it, and you will see the option Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will display a warning message informing you that all your settings will be reset, including your homepage, default search engine, pinned tabs, extensions, and cookies. However, your browsing history, bookmarks, and saved passwords will not be deleted. If you agree, click Reset Settings, wait a moment, and Chrome will automatically restore itself to its default state. And that's it! Your browser has been completely refreshed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.